Hey, what's up guys, Merv here. Being a white boy basic kind of thing, starves. Not gonna show my buddy, but today the car is gonna be slammed. Got the coilovers, finally gonna install that shit. It's gonna be a good time. Oh! Oh yeah? Oh, got Jesse back in the video. Another install. Yeah. Oh shit.
But
so this is the whole setup here. I think they're already preset for, I think he put it halfway. I'm not sure. That's what Chris was saying, but I feel like it's not.
I don't know.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
But
it's easy to adjust.
yeah. But yeah. Just some good hardware.
Spring.
Alright guys, so the car's on the lift, as you can see. This is the old, well, this is the OEM suspension right here in the back, front and back here. I think he's going to start with the back, that's what he was saying, because you have to go through the hatch, like the trunk, to get to it. So we're going to start with the back, and I'll try and document that as much as I can. I'm no mechanic, so if this is your first time seeing this, I'm not a mechanic. I just drive my cars. I like to bring them to the track and stuff like that, but I'm not mechanically inclined. I'm okay with that. But yeah, my buddy Jesse, he's gonna install this, and I'll try and go step by step with him and show you guys.
Yes, they're nice, these top plates. It's better.
Compare it.
Oh,
like
and you can adjust the hard and softness. Well, we're gonna leave it like this for now.
Yeah.
But cool. It's pretty dope.
Excited to see how these ride.
Honestly, probably really good compared to the race lines.
Yeah.
Like our drives like a...
We won't tell anyone.
No, I love it though. It's because like my coilovers are from Mustang and I have a Thunderbird, right? So
yeah.
The shocks are longer on a Thunderbird. So it drives like... looks good, I don't care.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not for the ride, it's for the look, right?
So to get to the back, you just had to drill from inside the fender. You didn't even have to go through the trunk.
No, when I took everything off in the trunk, which I should have looked here first, but I was like, oh, I have a feeling it's on the inside. I should have just looked here first. But I didn't. It's okay.
Well, it literally took 2 seconds to remove too.
Whatever's bothering me too doesn't help affecting my concentration. It's true.
Mad. Is he still using your
He is probably. Ask Alex.
We try looking online to see how we can do the backs, because there's not many people that did it very well for explaining, so we're playing it by ear, see, but it should be fine. Because what was your concern?
Oh, just the insulator.
Okay.
The insulator doesn't fit anywhere.
Okay.
But I put the sock insulator back in. But at the top, I thought maybe it'd be an insulator that would go here. But I guess not, because this one doesn't seem to want to fit seated to the coilover.
Alright. Well, we'll see. Should be fine.
Yeah, it should be fine. But it's maxed out right now. So
Yo. Super low in the back.
You can actually see. Put the wheel in, you'll probably see right away.
Cambered wheels? Looks good. This is nice hardware. Backs are installed. You can see it already sits a lot closer to the fender. Looks a lot... apparently it's maxed out in the back. So a lot of my stance friends will be happy. We'll see how it rides, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Max out in the back, guys. Corner, got my buddy Jared getting his Sentra SCR worked on, getting his brakes done by my buddy Matt. Yo, who is that?
Just spot A.
Yo, just getting a good facial.
Just getting a good facial for my car, you know. Me and Merv. Spa buddy.
Okay, so we got all that undone. Just remove this piece. He's gonna try and take off these bolts. It's just a bunch of hardware's in the way, but got to do what you got to do. This part's a bit easier, but that side is going to be a bit more. Okay, so we got the passenger side put in. This one's definitely going to be easier to install than on the left side because we're going to have to remove the mechanism for the washer fluid. I think that's what it is up there. So removing this one, wow, what a difference, eh? You can look rusty shit. Not so rusty shit. In. Yep. I didn't have to remove this.
No, that was I was trying to be making my life easier, but I can do it. I'm just a little princess, I guess.
Oh, that's okay.
That's okay.
You didn't have.
No, I didn't even know. I never worked on Fiesta before.
Yeah, it's okay.
I did I think a lower table at Ford when I was my first job. So,
yeah.
Yeah, and oil changes. I never worked on this.
Well,
it's pretty straightforward though. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
If you don't mind sticking your hand in there and have the proper tools, it's not that bad of an install.
And it's not too cramped in there. No. You have room to put your hands in places. So
but it's a tight.
Yeah.
Back on. The unnecessary work that I did.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love this song. It's a good song. This is a good song. So yeah, you're just putting everything back on, all the boring stuff, and then we're gonna lower it and see how it looks. Just the way it's just sitting right now. I can already tell it's gonna be pretty low. Very excited.
Very excited. We're gonna lift it up and put the knuckle on the other side.
And then obviously we're gonna do alignment because that's important. Tightening it all up. We're gonna see. We're gonna have to do any adjustments, but I think if I'm lucky, don't have to, because it's pretty much set what the previous owner did. So.
All right, it's almost over.
Oh.
The exciting part. How low will we go? It looks like they're maxed out, so we'll see. And we'll see if that little insulator in the back is correct.
You guys can already tell that it's gonna be pretty low, I think. Oh. Let's see.
What?
Alright. See.
It already looks lower. Because coilovers keep it higher, right? Yeah. The length of it's not as bad.
The back definitely sits lower than the front. Yeah, the back definitely sits a lot lower than the front does. Well, as you guys can see, it's sitting a bit high too high for my liking in the front. The back's pretty nice though. You see, it's pretty dumped in the back. So we're gonna try and match it similar to the front. To the back to the front. So we're raising it again to these have to go, I think, the opposite way. From the way that we were watching the videos online, I think people were doing it the wrong way. So
but I think no, I think we're just gonna leave these there. We're gonna have to change this because the rubber doesn't make sense. It's not sitting properly. You can't do that. Coilover has to sit straight, so we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna raise it from here.
Okay. We're just adjusting it in the front a little bit, lower it a bit. Probably gonna have to come back, but it's not cooperating. I don't know why it's super stiff, but oh, there you go. C'est bon maintenant. Ooh, cold start. Yo. Damn, the back looks nasty. So basically this is how the car's going to sit for this week. I'm going to be coming back next week to adjust the front to sit flush with the rear. But yeah, this is basically the stance I'm going to go for all around. So just pay attention to the back. That's perfect for me. But yeah, he doesn't have much time anymore. Fortunately, we have to close the shop. So I'm going to do my alignment and lower the front a bit more next week. But at least this is the install. Tried our best to try and show you guys how the steps were, but yeah, it's an okay install, I guess. Said it was a bit annoying in certain parts, but it is what it is. I'm just torquing the wheels, and that's basically it for this week.
Yeah, took a lot of time. We're running out of time. So
yeah,
it's okay though.
That's I don't know if you have anything to say, like in terms of the install. Like, is it?
I'm just confused. I'm gonna do more research. Like we decided this yesterday. We're gonna do coilovers, and I was like, sick, I'm down.
Yeah.
I just set insulator. An insulator in the back is bothering me because no matter which way I place it, it doesn't sit properly.
Yeah.
So if someone does know, I'd like to know. I'll do some research tonight. Like I said, it's not because I don't know, it's because I just didn't get informed.
Yeah, yeah.
But the front was maxed out, so like it maxed out like the highest height, I think. The back was to the lowest, so I raised it up a bit because the spring was like moving around.
Yeah.
It's still pretty low, but what's cool with the BCs, you can adjust the height of the shock, so you can actually raise the shock to make it longer, which also affects the height of the car, so then you can...
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. I think it's cool.
There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this in the back, that's for sure. It's perfect for me. Just gonna do like maybe half an inch, if that's what it is, or an inch more in the front as a drop, and basically gonna run it like this. I like the stock wheels. I'm probably gonna get them repainted eventually, a different color, but yeah, OEM Plus look is what I'm trying to do. Anyways, guys, if this is your first time, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's it, I think. I'm gonna close it out. So yeah, guys, take care. See you in the next video. Peace.